Make a great choice today with the 2026 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.